like we've been wandering around this place forever already, and the end isn't anywhere in sight.
I must escape and win the fighting festival as soon as I can. Zol and Della's lives depend on it. Wait, is that them?
I'm getting so hungry. Hey, fresh meat! Just what I needed. Matrona, did you just see that? The meat turned to stone all of a sudden. Wait, where did she go? Matrona, where are you? What's that smell? Here, Piggy, come play with me! Come on, it'll be fun! It's okay, I'm not gonna hurt you, I promise! Cause I'm only gonna knock you out, tie you up, grill you whole, and then gulp you down, that's all! Come on, don't be such a jerk, Tian! How can you joke around when we're finally being reunited? That pig was just talking! Still, I can't believe I ran into you here of all places. Once again, Meliodas was right on the money. Oh, wait, I forgot, you lost your memories, didn't you? Mr. Pig, please let me eat you! Just a nibble, just a little bite, and I'll be happy! Please stop it! A human girl? Who are you? What are you doing in this place? How'd you get here? Tian, I'm so glad you're safe. But it's not gonna happen again.
Hey look! There are a ton of frickin' berries over here!
You serious?
And they look super yummy too!
You found some food?
Whoa, there's a whole lot more of them in the back!
See ya. Tian, wait! Man, I'm so thirsty I could drink an entire river. Come on, Matrona. Where are you? Swamp? Whoa, that was scary, huh? Uh-huh. Why'd you help me? That's what friends are for. They help out when no one else will.